Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jess. If you're new, I'm Jess. That seems to be my intro lately. I don't know. Please excuse the snuffly, nasally sound. I am getting over a cold, but I wanted to play with makeup. Even though I'm not doing anything, I am technically still in my jammies. But I wanted to show you my everyday makeup using affordable drugstore makeup that you can get Priceline, Kmart, Kohl's, those kind of places that I use like on the daily when I do wear makeup. Like I don't wear makeup every single day. It's more if I have to go out, that kind of thing. If I'm at home for like days on end, which does sometimes happen, I won't wear makeup at all. And if you can hear my birds in the background, they're my budgies. Shush! Anyway, we're gonna get started. I've moisturized and primed my face. That brought down a double chin. Don't do that again. So we're going to get started on the brows. I've got a couple of brow products to actually choose from depending what mood I'm in. What have I done with the pencil product? The Rimmel London eyebrow pencil, the professional eyebrow pencil. That one, I like it. I'll do one eyebrow on camera just to show you what I do. And I don't do like an everyday, well, an everyday brow. I do an everyday brow. I don't do a full-on brow for an everyday look, is what I was trying to say. I'm just going to use this Model Prefer eyebrow kit for my mirror. I don't know if you can quite tell, I do have like really unruly and quite long eyebrows at the moment. Messy desk problems. What I like to do is kind of start here, slightly feather in a bottom shape. I also like to kind of stretch out my eyebrows a little bit just because it helps me to see where I may have missed. So that's the bottom line kind of done. And then I'll do the same on the top. And then fill in. And I don't go super duper heavy. Kind of gives them some shape and definition. And then I go in with the Rimmel, what are we, Brow This Way gel. I tend to go in with a lighter one just to give it a little bit more texture. The W7, it's a matte made in heaven foundation. This one's only $5. It's available at Chemist Warehouse. Find it a good coverage for every day. Doesn't feel heavy on the skin. Okay, so that's just kind of like one layer. I do like to add a little bit more concealer. The Rimmel Wake Me Up concealer is one of my favorites, so just gonna put a little bit on. And then of course to blend out, I'm just going to take a little brush. My under eye with the Mode Cosmetic banana powder. It's only $4 from Kohl's. Taking a powder brush. And then to set everywhere else, I'm using a translucent powder by Essence. The eyes, for an everyday look, I don't do a hell of a lot. This is a really grubby looking Sportsgirl. It's the Nude Edit palette, but it's really pretty. Try not to blind you. I tend to use the bronzier shades on my eyeballs. I'm going to take that same concealer brush that I cleaned off already. This is like the most easy kind of smoky eye look that you could do. Yes, it's a shimmer, but it doesn't come up quite shimmery on the lid. And then I just take the warmer one. No, I love an inner corner highlight. I'm going to take that one. Not too over the top. My all-time favourite mascara, and it's the BYS Fantasy Lash. The only thing about the wand though is that it literally looks like a BDSM toy. I think that's how you say it, BDSM. But it's a really good mascara. I love it. And it's only like $10 at Kmart. You can see the difference. We are going to use one of my favourite Chichi palettes. It's the Beauty on the Go palette. Love this palette so much. I'm going to take the bronzer shade just to lightly bronze. It's just a really nice bronzer. Don't you love the face shapes we make when we do makeup? It's like, and I'm not really contouring as such. And then to blush with, I'm going to take that one. That's why I love this palette. It's like an all-in-one, really pretty palette. And it's the BYS Peach collection, or the called highlighting trio, and it's in the shade Peach. I love it. I'm going to take the middle shade. Kind of as a blush topper. And then I'm going to take that highlight shade, and then I'm going to do the brow bones with it, because I haven't done the brow bones yet, and also my highlighty bits with it. Highlighty bits. Great terminology, you know what I mean. Valvoline, but anyway. That's so pretty. Love that. For this, we are using the Girlboss liquid lipstick in the shade Slay. I just thought I would use a pretty nude lipstick. Look at that highlight though. Love. So you guys, this is the finished look. Just an everyday kind of look for work. Maybe not school, but more for work, college, uni. It's like quick, if you're going out with the girls for lunch, brunch, that kind of thing. It's what I do often if I'm going out for, you know, coffee with a friend or whatever. And it's all drugstore affordable. So yeah, hope you guys like. Don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe to a small YouTuber, and I'll see you guys soon in another video.